So welcome to the episode today, and we are going to be focusing today on entrepreneurship. And so if you are somebody who is starting a business, you are already in business, or you have a side hustle and you are looking at how you can really grow, put yourself in the right mental state to take yourself to the next level, then this episode is right for you. I'm going to be reacting to a couple of videos and also sharing some practical strategies and thoughts with you in order to build you into the person that you need to become so you can build the successful business. Because one thing you must understand is that the business is the reflection of the owners, or if you want, the management. In other words, a business doesn't fail because the business doesn't is not good. A business doesn't fail because the business is not doing well. The business fails because of who is behind the business. And so if we can get you to be a right person, become the right person with a right mental attitude, and understand various strategies that you can implement to change yourself, to change your mindset, to change your personality, then we can transition that same success to help you so you can build a successful business. So let's get excited into the first topic for discussion, and this is about the emotional trauma that you will go through as an entrepreneur and what you have to do to deal with them. And I'm going to react to a video from somebody that will help us to address this. So let's bring this up quickly in the shot. So this is a video made by one Nigerian content creator called Gege, and he expressed a little frustration about his life, his journey, and what he has done, and the reactions or otherwise of people that he knows, especially family members. I want us to listen to him shortly, then I'll come back for us to discuss this.
I know they create content for more than 3 years now. None of my family member, they follow me. None of my family member, they follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. You know understand? What I try to let you know? Life na personal race. See, the fruit of this content creation, you go reap am. Money go come. That your house, this content go build out for you. That car, you go drive am. That your dream car, content go fit give you. But the beginning of the journey is not really funny, because even the people who know you in real life, they go frustrate you. Don't put your hope on anybody, because life is a personal journey, a personal race.
Now, this is something that every successful entrepreneur, successful individual is going to face. The fact that nobody around you supports what you're doing. Maybe you start a business or you start something, then you share it with some friends, you share it with some colleagues, or you tell family members, hey, this is what I'm doing now. For all intents and purposes, you think that, oh, when you tell them that, hey, this is what I'm doing now, this is what I'm into now, they will rally around you and support you and promote you or help you. The reality is that they don't care. Because it doesn't even trigger them. 99.999% of the time, nobody cares. And it is not that they are not happy for you. It's just that they don't see you as somebody worthy to be able to do something, worthy to be able to build something. And so when I started my journey, right from day one, I learned this from my mentor, I think Dan Locke also, that my customers are not my family members. In other words, my family members are not my customers. So right from day one, when I began my journey, creating content, starting my business, and everything that I'm doing, I'm not even interested in trying to get a follow, a like, a sharing from any family member. And you're going to face that. If you have not faced it already, you're going to face it. Friends, family, loved ones, that you've told them that, oh, this is what I'm into. They won't do business with you, number one. They won't follow you on social media. They will see your videos or your posts, they won't even mind. They won't even share what you do on their status on WhatsApp. They will post other things. They will promote other things. A new music that has been released by an artist, a pastor that is preaching about something, or some funny comedy or something like that. They will post that on their status, but they will never share what you are doing. They will never show any interest in what you're doing. But do you know something? If you're able to work break through, and become successful, guess what? These same people will come back and say, we knew from the beginning, or I knew from the beginning that you are going to be successful. But these are people who never supported you. And this is something that requires a high level of emotional strength if you are going to go through this. Because sometimes you are like, hey, this thing that I'm doing, if it succeeds, you people will benefit from it. This thing that I'm doing, if it goes well, you people will also benefit from it. But they are not going to support you. And it's okay. And this is what I want you to understand, that as an entrepreneur, if you start a business, you start a side hustle, or whatever it is that you are into, don't expect support from your friends. Don't expect support from any family member. Don't expect support from your classmates. Don't expect support from anybody you know. Do you know something? Go out there. Promote yourself. Work hard. Go the extra mile. Do what you have to do. Leverage social media. Strangers will find what you are doing valuable, and strangers are the people who will become your customers. It is a harsh reality, but this is what you must understand. I've been on social media for, number of years now. When I post video, how many of the people who know me like the video, share the video, comment on the video? Heck, how many of them even follow me? How many of them share my flyers on their status? Share my flyers or with their friends? Nada. Zero. Do you get the idea? But some of these people, when they are in need, when they want something, you are the first person they will call. You see the irony of life? You are the first person they will call. They will say, oh, I need this, so how can you help me? But these people will never support you, will never do anything. And sometimes, I know, if you sit down and look at it closely, you'll be like, really? And they are on social media. It's not like they are inactive. They are on social media. You can see them posting things, music, songs, whatever, on their social media, on their posts. Like you are seeing them supporting and promoting strangers. But you, a family person, as someone they are close to, someone when the hell is breaking loose in their life, they will come to, they will never support you. They will never promote you. That is the irony of life. And so if you're a rising entrepreneur, you want to start your business, or you're already in your business, or you've started a side hustle, understand this. Nobody is going to support you. And don't take it personal. It is just put yourself out there. Trust God. If what you are doing is a good thing, you will get the people to build your brand, become successful at the end of the day. I receive messages almost every day. People see me when I go out every day. And sometimes people see me and they come to me and say, hey, yo, Nhyira, you are Nhyira, right? Yeah, I watched a video of yours when I was going for an interview and it saved me. I was able to get a job. Thank you very much. Or maybe I was learning. I saw one of your YouTube videos and then I delve into them and I watch a lot of your YouTube videos. Today I'm a chartered accountant, or today I finished my master's degree or my first degree. Thank you very much. God bless you. Which people share these messages with me? Strangers. People I don't know from anywhere. And these are the people who will come to eventually do business with me. You see, familiarity breaks respect. Familiarity sometimes breaks honor. In other words, people who are familiar, people who are close to you, they don't see you as anything significant. They don't see you as you have any sense in your head. They don't see you that you have anything valuable. Because they know, I will see him in the evening at the house. What does he post on social media? I will see him in the evening at the house. What has she posted on her status? They don't care. They're not interested. They don't find you anything. Unless you break the ceiling and get to a certain level, then they will start giving you the respect that is due. So what am I trying to say? If you're a rising entrepreneur, It's okay. You will go there. Nobody will support you. Sometimes you expect that your friends, family members will just post your flyer on their status for one day. Sometimes you will wish that your loved ones will just say, "Oh, I believe in you." But listen, nobody cares about you. And it hurts, but that is the reality of life. That is the mental toughness required for you if you want to become successful. Because that is the reality. Recently, I was on a call with somebody, and this same issue we were talking about. And I was telling the person that if I look at my life, how much do I need to survive if it is only me? Well, how much do I need to survive? Not much. And so, whatever you are trying to do, you are doing it also with mind that you can add value to your family, to your loved ones, and to make your society a better place. But these same people that you are trying to go out there, hustle to become successful for, and do add value to, do not see the impacts of what you're doing. They think you are just crazy. If you like, go and tell somebody. In case you have not started a business yet, go and ask somebody. Tell them, "Hey, I'm starting my business." Hear what they will tell you. Or you've started a business. They will tell them, they say, "Oh, okay." They will think you are crazy. So that is the first thing I want you to understand. You need to build the mental fortitude that the people you think will support you will not support you. The people you think will rally behind you, they don't care about you because they are doing something else. And yes, they will post other things on their social media. They will post events, promote people they have no relationship with. They will post, celebrate people they have no connection with.